Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your problem with deleting posts on Instagram. So now I will tell you why you see this error. So you know that Instagram just make some limits for deleting posts from your Instagram account, so they just think maybe that you will change your theme from your Instagram account, and that's why they just limit your deleting posts from your Instagram. So mostly you just need to wait some time until you will have access for deleting your post again. And also if you need to do it quickly, so you just need to go to the settings and just try one way. I will tell you how. So if you're using cellular data, just try to use Wi-Fi and turn off cellular data. And if you're using Wi-Fi on your Instagram, just turn on mobile data and turn off Wi-Fi. So just change your internet network. So if you're using Wi-Fi, use mobile data or cellular data, and if you use cellular data, just use Wi-Fi. So this is the way how you can also try to do it, because I don't know any another methods how you can do it. So just wait or just change your network. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.